Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. So today we're going to be creating a spread in my wellness for the week of July 21st through the 27th. This planner is called Exotic Borders. It's a classic size happy planner, and it's just a vertical layout, so you can use it for any purpose you want. I chose to use this as my wellness, and it's been working. So here we go. I prepared a couple images and a couple sheets of stickers, and we'll go from there. So I just want to make sure I'm matching the pink, so I'm going to be trying out different pinks until I grab the one that matches. So it's going to be a pink spread. It is the week of my birthday. My birthday is on the 24th. So I just love creating spreads that make me happy, especially around my birthday. I don't know what it is, but when like my birthday spread is not pretty, it truly like does not make me happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw my dots. So there's 4 on the top as always, and then 5 in the middle section. So the top is breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. The bottom section is medicine, food. Actually, medicine, mood, not food. I'm thinking about food, you guys. Medicine, mood, sleep, workout, and steps. So those are my things that I track in here. And instead of using like checklists or stuff like that, I just draw little bullet points. So yeah, there we go. That's what that looks like. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, we're gonna get to it in just a second. So, Stephanie from Porter Designs was so kind. She sent me some images for printables. She has her own shop, and the stuff is just amazing. But when she found out I got engaged, I wanted some like wedding engagement stickers. She sent me those. However, she also sent me these gorgeous flowers. These are called morning routine florals, or flowers, and I am beyond obsessed. So let me just show you what they look like in just a second. I'm gonna place this girl on this side. Look at this. She is perfect. She's having a moment to contemplate whatever she's contemplating. But yeah, that's where she's at. So look at these florals. These are from Stephanie, and oh my lord, you guys. I also pulled up this washi tape with polka dots. I just thought that it's going to be fitting with these girls and the polka dots on their dresses or skirts. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and add this. Here we go. Look at that. Isn't that perfect? Let me make sure that it's as straight as possible. And yeah, okay, my light is a little harsh, but that's okay. I'm gonna lift this up just a tiny bit. But you guys, I like wasted very little washi. You guys should be proud of me. Very tiny bit of washi, at least on this side. Okay, we still need to do the other side, and then I'll show you what we're gonna do with the rest. So yeah, I'm having a blast with this. I'm just gonna cut this really quick. And this one has a backing. So usually washis don't have a backing. This one does. I still love it. It's a little bit harder because you're peeling it, but it has all of these like gold little dots on it, so I can't help myself but to use them. Like I said, gorgeous. Okay, so yeah, but I don't want this to be very lonely, so we're gonna add some stuff in there. Same amount of washi, so very little wasted, you guys. So proud of myself. I know. Like, I need to lift this. Okay, let's do that, and then we're just gonna like try to tear it as straight as possible. Okay, that worked. Okay, let's keep going. So on and onwards with the florals now, or flowers. Florals, yeah. Look how beautiful. Like, how amazing are those? So if you guys don't know about this little shop, go ahead and check it out. It's called Porter Designs, and Stephanie is just so kind and incredible human being. So let's go ahead and cut this up like so. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna cover her feet. She's gonna be like poking from behind the flowers. I know I like her shoes and I like all of it, but you know what? It is what it is. I think it's gonna look better. So just trust me on this one, okay? Let's see how it works out. And then we can always change it too if it doesn't. But like I said, I am loving these florals so much I could not help myself. So here is one. Look how pretty. Like she's peeking from behind these florals. It's making me so happy. This spread is making me very, very happy in general. Um, these girls, I purchased them for my birthday spread last year, and I have to pick one more to put on here, and I'm gonna pick this one. I know that she's looking down and everything, but I think it's just my favorite out of those ones I picked for this particular spread. So I'm gonna move her a little higher up like so, and still write the number of my steps. And then let's go ahead and cut these florals. I also printed them in a smaller version. So this is a full like letter size page. I also have them in like a slightly smaller than A5 version. So to fill in the smaller gaps here. So I'm doing the same thing. I'm putting her behind these gorgeous florals and we'll go from there. So I have these smaller ones that I'm going to cut up as well. Um, I don't know what it is about these florals, but like I said, I am truly obsessed. I have no clue what's driving me to love them so much, but I do. And that's basically what it is. What if we added those smaller florals like right on the edge of this washi? Maybe? I don't know. I'm thinking. Let me move this a little. Okay. I think that works. Okay. So I'm going to work on a couple more things. So I need a sidebar. I need florals in there. I like my sidebar usually pretty filled in, and then I can work on like all of this other stuff within the actual planner boxes. Okay, so first one down on the sidebar, I do want to put that one as well. So let me start from kind of, let's see, maybe, yeah, I think this will work. Yeah, this will be fine. I thought it's not going to work because they're from the same thing, but the colors are different, so that's going to be just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and add more to the sidebar, and that should work. You guys, I'm so behind on filming and editing videos. It's crazy. So, like I mentioned in my previous videos, last week we went on vacation, and technically this week, and it's been chaos, right? Because you know how you leave, you have to get everything ready, and so on and so forth. So I was doing that on top of worrying because that was the first trip without our dog, and we had him for 2 years. Actually, the 22nd is his gotcha day. So if you guys don't know, see, this is the smaller ones I was talking about, just to show you. If you don't know what, going back, I'm like, I don't know, I did not have caffeine, you guys, I promise. I'm like rambling on. But anyway, Gotcha Day is the day that you adopt your puppy. So I celebrate both for him. It's the Gotcha, plus it's his, we celebrate his birthday too. So he turned 2 not too long ago, and now on the 22nd, it'll be 2 years since we had him with us. So that went by so fast, and he's such a cute puppy. Like, we cannot help ourselves but be fully obsessed with him. So, yep, that's what happens. This sticker paper is amazing, but at the same time, it catches onto my hands pretty well. Okay, I'm gonna cut this up and then decorate the last parts of it. And then that is it. I'm going to put this back in my planner. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Let me know what you think. As I said, I am obsessed with these florals. Thank you, Stephanie. Again, they're amazing. I'm so excited. And I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.